everyone, this is our presentation of Group 4 in Science and the topic is force. What is force? Force is a push or pull acting on an object and you can change and stop the direction of an object. Let's take a closer look at the two main kinds of force, push and pull. Push, a force that moves an object away from you, makes an object go forward or out. This is an example. Pull, a force that moves an object toward you, it brings an object closer or causes it to move in your direction. Example, opening a door. Newton. The unit of force is Newton. It is named after Sir Isaac Newton. And we have two types of force, contact and non-contact. Contact force is a type of force that needs the object to touch for the force to work. Frictional force, a force that resists motion when two things rub together. Example, push cart. Normal force, the force that supports an object on a surface. Example, the notebook in table. Tension force, the force in a rope of string when pulled it tie. Example, I delays. Wind force is the force exerted by moving air on an object it touches. Example, plant. Air resistance is the force opposing the motion of an object through the air. Example, the birds were flying. Spring force, the force exerted by stretch or compressed string that tries to return to its original shape. Example, playing a slinky. Non-contact force is a type of force that can happen without the object touching. Magnetic force, the push or pull exerted by a magnet attracting magnetic objects. Example, the coins is being magnetized. Electrostatic force, the force that exists between all charged particles. Example, rubbing a balloon on hair. Gravitational force, the force that attracts object towards the Earth's center. Example, jumping up the stairs. Balance forces. This is an example of balance forces. Unbalanced forces. This is an example of unbalanced forces. That's it. Thank you for watching.